Welcome back. This is step 2, and I wanted to let you know that I have purposely compartmentalized each step, even though it's very small. And I did that because it's easier for learning and for accessibility if you wanted to reference these in the future. Well, very similar to that, I have compartmentalized things in the time freedom formula for the same exact reasons, to learn it better, to be able to follow it better. So this step is the category list. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create personal categories that design your life, that make up your life. And we're going to create that list and prioritize it. And then we're going to give every category a color for identifiability. What it look like is this. This is also in your downloadable template file. And you'll start writing your categories and your priority and the color. Now you can either download this template or you can create your own version, but we are going to adjust it accordingly because what a category might be for you today may be done in a month or a year from now, so that will be eliminated. You may have new categories. So let's see, these are just some sample categories that I put up there, but it is in no way all inclusive. I do recommend that you put yourself first in your category list. So this is what it would look like. I put myself there, and I made it number 1, and my favorite color is purple. Now this is different for everybody. I don't have children, but if you have kids, you can make them number 2, and that's debatable. Some people don't put their kids second, but that's up to you. Hopefully they're somewhere high up there. So if they're number 2, let's say you want to give them pink. And then if you have your sweetheart, your significant other, you want to make them 3, and if they are 3, don't tell them. And or you can make them tied as number 2. That's up to you. But give them a color. And then you just go on and on. Family and friends, whatever order you choose for yourself, that's right for you. There is no right order and there is no right color. But you just want to put every category. So if you have medical appointments, if you have spiritual obligations, if you have family that you meet with regularly, anything that you're doing that would require you to show up on a regular basis that you would put onto a calendar. Okay, so that's what it looks like, something like that. And when you're done, you now have a format for what we're going to do next in step number 3. So see you over there. Go click on step number 3 and we'll go to the next module.